Okay guys, mabuhay maligayang pagbabalik sa aking YouTube channel. Update lang ito sa mga kaganapan kay Chris Aquino. Fresh na fresh. 8 minutes ago pa lang ito na ipopost. Kaya naman pinost ko na agad-agad para malaman ng mas marami niyang followers na masugid na nanonood dito sa aking YouTube channel. But anyways, hindi ko na lang ginamit yung iba niyang mga pictures wherein yung nasa operating room siya. So mas maganda ito na lang ang makita nyo. But anyways, ayan na nga. So sabi niya, I'm waiting to go into the OR prep area. I was on time in MMC at 6 a.m. for my 7 a.m. procedure. Eto, sabi niya ganyan, of course, Makati Medical Center, inoperahan si Chris. At sinabi niya, kwento ko lang muna, yung pinost niya nga sa kanyang Instagram. My paring Ogie had an opinion that Doc Mike found offensive. Since coming home, I only reached out to my kumpare yesterday. He was very gracious and said, Mare, sorry na stress ka pa. Dr. Pagdan, sorry dahil naging masama ang dating ng komento ko sa'yo, nakakapanghinayang. Sa akin unang umamin si Mare na may boyfriend siyang doktor at nasabi niyang, you made her feel safe para mas mabilis ang paggaling mo na pinagdarasal ng marami, hindi ko na siya pag-uusapan. Sorry talaga, Mari, hindi mo kailangan ng stress, bagong opera ka pa man din. Ayan na. So, I thought, eto na, statement yan. Eto, kay Chris, I thought I was still dreaming, unsure about who I saw when Dr. Cricket, my anesthesiologist, was waking me up. But he was there. We didn't get to speak. Thank you, Dr. Mike Padlan. I was told I was sedated when you entered the OR. I am sad that you declined to remain as one of my lead physicians, but I do understand what you meant when you said to let me go. Mahirap talaga kapag magkaibang mundo ang pinanggalingan at nakasanayan. In time, I still hope your anger will lessen and we shall both have peace in our hearts. I'm almost there because I appreciate all I have and everyone who pray for me and make the effort to express their concern and compassion. Yesterday, so today Sunday, so Saturday. Yesterday, I had my PICC line changed. Contrary to what you may assume, I am not a diva patient. I asked vascular surgeon Dr. James which hospital it was most comfortable to do my PICC line change in, and he chose Makati Med. My medical team has grown because my diagnosed autoimmune diseases have now grown to 9. 5 of them can cause my death. So that has been hard to process, but slowly I am learning to leave everything to God's will because He knows best. Tama naman yung ganon. Talagang leave everything to God because God, alam ng Diyos ang lahat. So eto pa. Finally, I'm regaining my appetite. Ann B. Nice sent me delicious turon and chocolate chip cookies. Dr. Katsi found very good avocados. My nurses make me avocado shakes using Carabao milk from my new friend Jing. Jessica Soho is so caring and is a real friend. Weekly, she sends me mangoes. I eat a minimum of three a day. Okay. Chef Jessie for me makes the best Angus Bistek Tagalog and her pistachio Sansribal is superb. Amari in Royce Hotel, Clark has the best carbonara. I'm now 88 pounds. That's a win because God helps those who help themselves. So, alam naman natin na ang payat-payat ni Chris nung kailan lang sinabi niya kung ilan ng pounds. Ngayon, at least, nagkakawat, ano na siya, kumbaga, nagkakalaman na siya, no? At least, at saka yung appetite, napakahalaga nun. Maraming, kailangan niyang kumain. Pero siyempre kasi sa autoimmune at sa mga ganyang sitwasyon, ang dami ring bawal na pagkain, di ba? Sometimes, ganun talaga. But at least ako, I'm very happy na kahit na nakakakain na si Chris Aquino. Although, ako talaga nalulungkot ako every time nakikita ko mga pictures niya ng payat na payat siya. Pati yung legs niya, parang braso ko lang. Yung ganun. Kasi I remember, nakita ko naman kasi si Chris nung bagong pasok siya sa showbiz at talagang ano 'di ba isa nga parang si Chris parang voluptuous nga siya, medyo may laman pero sexy until ayun nga kaya ako pag tinitignan ko ngayon sabi ko nakakasad naman. But anyways, ayan nakakatuwa na in a few minutes lang or 8 minutes lang, ayan na maraming nang nagpe-pray for Chris Aquino. Get well soon Miss Chris, pagaling ka. Nakakatuwang malaman ang na ganon karami ang concern, nagmamahal kay Chris. Kaya nga sabi, alam mo, the best prayer talaga is the very effective ay yung pag pinagdadasal ka ng maraming tao or ng ibang tao. So anyways, ayan, eto sample lang ng mga prayer for Chris. Sabi, hope you feel better, Ate Chris. Nice to know you're regaining your appetite. Note that we're always praying for you. Also praying for Kuya and Beam, of course. May God bless you always. So, ayan. Ako, nakakatuwa. Yung mga fans talaga ang nagsasabi ng kanilang mga dasal. At yun, mahal ka namin, Queen, Chris Aquino, praying for your D, ganyan. So, ako talaga, I always, gustong-gusto ko talagang actually, ako sabi ko nga, nalulungkot ako every time nakikita ko si Chris sa ganyang kondisyon because I know naman, nakita ko siya noon, hindi ko nga naisip na darating ang ganitong point sa buhay. But anyways, ayan, Chris, magaling ka, pinagdarasal ka na maraming tao, pinagdarasal ka namin, na sana gumaling ka talaga at nakikita ko naman yon.